So once you access Photopea, this is what you see. Over here on the bottom, you can see that you can open up many different type of images, including PSD, AI, XD, Figma, Sketch, PDF, RAW, and any other file formats right here that is supported. You can drag and drop the files over here in order to open it from your computer, utilize templates, install Photopea on your computer, or open it from your computer right here, or start a new project. As you can see right here, you have the option like file menu, edit menu, image, and other options for editing images, and options to access your images or graphics file from over these cloud drives as well. But in my case, I'm going to go around and create a new project, let's say for example, and it allows you to select out a template or define a template around over here by specifying the width and height. Let me just go around and choose, let's say, YouTube cover right here, and click on create right here, just like this, to quickly create a project. Once I do that, this is what you have. As you can see, this is where you do the designing right here. So I can go around, grab my text tool, let's say for example right here, and then I can start typing right here. Over here on the left hand side, you see all of the tools that you can use in order to edit your graphics. On the top, you see the options for those particular tools that you select right here, just like this. Over here on the top, you see the tabs where you can accumulate different projects. And over here on the top, you can see the regular menus itself. You get the account option right here, and you get the find option right here, just like this. And you also have option to make the application full screen from over here. On the top, you got about, learn, and so forth, as you can see. And over here on the right hand side, you get the info, you get the alignment information right here, and brush and so forth, as you can see right here. If I were to go around onto window, I can bring in other elements as well, like glyphs right here, just like this. I can go around and bring in layer comps right here, and all of the extra elements that I may need while I start designing. Over here on the right hand side, you can see that you get access to swatches and color right here, and all the other elements that you actually bring in right here. So you can go around and click on different elements right here to access them out as well, as you can see right here. And over here on the right hand side, you get the layers, channels, and path options right here, where you can arrange out your layers. On the bottom and side, on the layer section, you see the different options that you can apply as well, including the new layer and so forth. In this tutorial series throughout, we're going to look at the major features of this application so that you can edit out the image as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.